Mama Meko class, teacher Beba class, teacher, teacher. Smooth ya man I bam, never come here to chanda one zam. 4DB, nobody the run am, never pint in the boys in the way grand.
Hello, my African kings and queens. Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Afropex Kitchen, where we cook and have fun. If today's your first time stopping by, please don't go nowhere. Kindly stay tuned, like, comment, share our videos, and subscribe for more and more cooking tips. And let me take this opportunity to let you know that we are going to have guests on the show. Yes, guests on the show, and this is what will make it fun. Because, like I said, if you're not a genius, this show you, I beg pass. It's only for genius, yes. So we'll go straight to the point. Today I'm going to prepare fried rice, and this is not just any fried rice. This is a special fried rice. This fried rice, if you cook for your husband, he won't go anywhere. This fried rice, if you cook for your boyfriend, he won't leave you. So please, stay tuned for more fun. Bye. Hello there. Preparing fried rice is a very simple thing to do. First of all, just turn on your fire and then add your oil. This time I'm using fried oil. Yeah, that's the product I love to use. So it wasn't enough, so I had to add some. Then I add my sausages. Okay, but then this one you can depending on whatever meat you would like to use. Okay, this is my preference. I love sausages, so I love to use some sausages and also some chicken. Yeah, so this time I allow the sausage to fry, then I add my onions. Okay, but then anytime you are cooking, if you want your food, if you want your meal very tasty, add more onions. Okay, so you wait for a while for the onion to at least cook a little, then you add your cooked chicken. This is optional. I prefer to cook my chicken because sometimes it has this funky smell. I don't like that in my food, so I like to at least boil it, cook the chicken halfway, then I slice or I shred it into my fried rice. So yeah, so that is it. You stir for some time. Since it's already cooked, you only stir for some time and then allow it to fry a bit, then you add your spring onions. So yeah, that is it. Guys, this time the kitchen smells so good. This is my curry powder. I add curry powder to it, just a tablespoon of curry powder is okay. You don't need to add much. It gives it like more flavor, and then it makes the color very nice, so it comes out very well. This smells so good, guys. This is a must try fried rice, trust me. Just do it the same way. And then this is my onga shrimp powder or onga shrimp cube, however you want to call it. I don't like to add salt into my fried rice, and so I add enough shrimp powder, yeah, to make up for the salt. Then you stir. I decide to add I normally add the shrimp powder first because it has to dissolve. If not, you'll be eating the rice and then you'll be feeling particles of shrimp powder in it. You understand? So always let it go in first before the rice. Yeah, this smells very, very good. The aroma in the kitchen is so good, and it's all about flavor. You understand? Yeah, so you add more flavor to your meal. So this time I'm going to add my eggs to it, and you saw the way I did it. I just created a hole, then I break the egg directly into it. So this makes it very easy. You don't need to go and fry the egg somewhere and come and inculcate it later into the food. No, you understand? So this is my how do I call it, vegetables and eggs frying beautifully. So this time I realized I just have to reduce the heat. Yeah, because you don't like your fried rice burnt, you understand? Yeah. So reduce the heat. Charlie, Afrapex Kitchen, dear. We show you all the secrets and everything, you understand? So if you don't subscribe to this channel there, I don't know where else, guys. This is what I'm talking about. The flavor alone in the kitchen. Wow, you see it's cooking beautifully. So because I reduced the heat, you get your egg scrambled, you understand? Then I add my carrots. So yeah, you can add enough carrots just to your preference. You can add more carrots, but then mind you, all the vegetables I'm adding, okay, I make sure I reserve some for later, because you don't like your vegetables soft in the food. You want it a bit crunchy and crispy. So this is my green bell pepper. I'm going to add it to it, and it's going to give it more flavor. It's all about flavor, guys. So you stir so that it doesn't get burnt. Okay, then I'm gonna add my rice. This rice is a day-old cooked rice, you understand? But then it's optional. If you don't have a day-old cooked rice, you can decide to just add some fresh rice. Like you cook rice, then allow it to cool down, then you use it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. It doesn't. So you see how beautiful it's coming out. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. And the curry powder we added, it makes the color a bit yellowish. Curry powder has turmeric and other spice, so the color is very nice. Yeah, so when you add it into your food, it changes the food color. So this time I'm going to add my soya sauce, and this is a dark soya sauce. Guys, please be very careful when you are choosing your soya sauce, because some can actually be very salty and you wouldn't want your food over salted, you understand? So be mindful. And normally I love my fried rice very dark. You see, it's nice when it comes out. That restaurant fried rice is always like dark and all. So the secret is add more soya sauce. If you want your fried rice dark, just add more soya sauce, and that is it. Just more. If you want it lighter, then reduce the soya sauce you put in. Understand? It's as simple as that. So this time I'm stirring, and the flavor, the aroma in the kitchen, guys, this is what we are talking about. I just wish you were in my kitchen right now. Like, if you could perceive the aroma. Guys, can you perceive it? Just kidding. Alright, so just at this moment, if you have a nice music playing at the background, you can be dancing to it. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to add the remaining vegetables to it. This is all the vegetables I left over, so it's going to go inside the food. Yeah, so you stir and you see how beautiful the color is. And the vegetables too is to your preference. You can add as much vegetables as you want. Yes, and guys, this is the secret. This is the secret to that aromatic fried rice. This is the secret. Blue Band margarine. Look, you don't need to go and get this particular brand. You only need a margarine, a cooking or a baking margarine. Yes, add margarine. Do not prepare your fried rice without adding margarine, my dear. Look, the margarine makes a difference, like a big difference. It makes it the flavor and the aroma. Guys, please add blue band margarine to your fried rice, and you thank me later. Yeah, so this is it. We are almost done. So this time you stir gently and beautifully, and you see, because we added the vegetables at almost the latter part, it's going to make it very crunchy, you see. Yeah, so guys, this is it. Ekwa fried rice kiri na dia have a dark benamsia. Me say fried rice is a wood dear, my dear. Oba bedamas and kind of fun the end the minimka. Yeah, so this is what I'm talking about. That aromatic restaurant, beautiful fried rice. This is it. It's so simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Thank you. Be nice, be beautiful, and stay blessed.